Yeah. So
Actually, so you can notice that for other safe loop, we use the LSDH or PSDH. We didn't consider the LSDH,
Yeah.
but sometimes we use the LSH.
Yeah.
Because we didn't separate.
So in
this
this
two.
case, we have not considered this a safeguard. So let us say no then. No. Because if you see our system, we are saying if it is not considered as above, then safety review should suggest, HAZOP should suggest, and SIL should suggest. So here we have not taken a safeguard in HAZOP, we have not taken IPL in SIL. So then we can say no. Guru?
I think let's move on now.
Agreed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will say no, because we have not considered a safeguard also.
Okay, and also change the PSDH 0209-0567.
Sorry, Joe?
No.
The HIPs related.
Not here. That is in HAZOP.
Not here.
Keep
Okay.
whatever in HAZOP. Leave with that.
Yeah.
Not here.
So guys, now we are going for the next alarm. This alarm is this one I will highlight here.
Right. This is the high level alarm for the slug catcher.
Like catcher, yes. So can you share your screen, Emmanuel?
To 0903.
Okay.
Here.
So what is the purpose of this alarm?
H.
What is the
This
purpose of
pre-alarm for your high.
Yes.
This is high level.
Here-
So
here
pre-alarm
is
for
supposed
your
to be-
trip high.
It's part also
Correct.
of the control function.
It's part of the control
Yeah.
function. Normally it's
Yes.
like this.
Yes, it's part of the
So-
control function.
Okay. So that means once your operator get LAH 020903, your operator has to intervene and to find out the region
Yes.
for high level before it gets tripped, right?
Yeah, before it gets trip on high. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let me again share my screen.
Share the screen, please.
Okay,
You have the calculation here.
so we are saying abnormal operation, of course, yes. In HAZOP, this is pre-filled, and still it was not